Hello. Recently I saw a video on YouTube about vertical slices that is from Milan, and uh, I saw his approach, and I think that we can simplify vertical slices, especially now that we have minimal APIs. So I will try to improvise some things that he did, just so can have the same structure, and maybe you guys can compare which one it fits you better when you see in that. So this is a bare project in the want to lose time on database, or we'll just improvise. But we will create a new folder called features, and here on features we will create features endpoints. I would say so. I usually group them, so I think I also hit it. So let's create another folder for that called articles, and inside here let's create a class called create article. So we name it like this, so because I sometimes in where I work we use feature flags, so like this we can remove a feature based on some flags that we get from some store, so for example from AWS parameter store or somewhere else. So that's why I also name, because this is the whole feature of the request. So in this case, let's make this static, and now we will have public static void. I usually name this a register, so we know that we need to register this feature, and this is just an extension method. Endpoint route builder. We'll call endpoints. So business of endpoints post, because we are creating, it will be post. Let's move to the next line. So over here we must have a delegate. We'll do async because we might do things as asynchronous, and then basically we have like this. So first of all is the request as parameters, I think it's called. Let's see. Yeah, let's new. Yeah, then we will have IDB context. I will just call it like this, and yeah, this will call await send the request and the context. So I think that's it. Now we will create a handler. Also, this will be extension method. No, actually not extension, just a method. Static async does result. So he used the result class to return result from mediator handlers. And in this case, because we use everything in one place, we can use ASP.NET result interface. So like this, we have there, and now we passed everything what we had. So first of all, this create article then IDE context. So that's it. Let's create this class first. Everything I put everything on this under this class, so we know that these belong only to this feature. Why we didn't register the endpoint? So we go here and we can say we create article feature dot register, and then we said that's it. So we don't need to add anything more to complicate. So now you see, so try it, we'll leave it at this, and let's see if we get new good. So you say we get the new good. Let's try now with the get. So I think with this in place, we are in the same place that he was. So let's start and see. Oh, yeah, another one, another thing. So remove this one, but also we need to register this one. Oh, get article by feature, and let's run now. Should have two endpoints, so let's try it. So first of all, let's register one. So we get the ID, because it's singleton, it stays in memory, so we can query. So try it, get ID, and yeah, you see we get the response. If we do something else, yeah, oh yeah. Let's do this tree. I will say error status 44 not found. Oh yeah, that was it. Hope you did like it. I think it's a little bit different approach how Milan did, but I think at the same time it's way simpler because we don't use mediator and other things, because the we are building microservices, and when we are building microservices, it should be as small as possible. If you use Mediator for some cross-cutting concern, like you don't want to call this on every request, but you want to have like behaviors that you have in middleware, then you can use filters. And I think that is here, add endpoint filter. So yeah, you have you can use this filter, but you must create a clause that inherit for endpoint filters. And basically, you can do the validation or logging actually. With logging, you have other ways to do it, not on this case. Yeah, please check it. I will publish on my GitHub, and my GitHub will be on the comments or in the description. Thanks.